Hey YouTube, this is RyRy here. Hey, I was going to roast a couple chilies here. I got these medium hatch New Mexico green chilies. So I found that it's easier to cut the tops off, take the seeds out, like that. Get a good bang, get them all out. I like to cut them in half. Let's see here. There we go, like so. Just get all the extra seeds out there. I don't like it too hot. Like that. There you go. I'll leave the ribs don't really come out too well, so anyways, kind of open it up. A couple more seeds. And just throw it on. There you go. Should make peeling a lot easier. Here's another one. Cut it in half. Bam. Go. Get those seeds out of there. Good knock. There you go. No seeds. Easy to take care of after they're roasted. And then when you're cooking them here, you just kind of rotate them a little bit to make sure the char gets charred evenly. See how it's kind of still kind of curling up a little bit. Eventually here it'll lay flat once the heat gets to it enough and gets the membranes all kind of, I guess, melted, I guess. They say you just put the tongs down here like that. And holding it down a little bit there. This is an alternative to getting your chilies roasted at a side stand or side road stand. That I don't need a whole bushel. I just need maybe a dozen. So don't really need to roast the inside, but I'm just kind of helping it get a little warmer and be able to lay flat. You don't want to over roast them either, then it'll just cook the skin and you'll have a mushy style green chili instead of a crunchy. So this looks about right, like that. So almost done with this one. So this one's good. I'm gonna dunk it in some cold water here. I'd say this goes a lot quicker than trying just to roast them whole. Because you get the seeds all out. You don't have to worry about trying to get seeds and ribs and stuff out. Well, that last one's kind of roasting there. I'll finish my last one here. I did a few before the video already, just for time's sake. And yeah, you are losing a little bit here, but I think the time saved is great in comparison to just losing a little bit of your chili. So just kind of knocking it all out. Cut it in half. Like so. And boom. There you go. This one, oh, ribs are non-existent really, so I'm just gonna kind of knock out the rest of the seeds here. They'll eventually fall out when cooking here. Fall into the other one too. Got a couple more here. I think the other one's done. I can smell it. It smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna wait for that one here. Check this guy. Yep, he's done. Put that in the cold water. There we go. One last chili. Get a couple more seeds out. Bam. On the grill we go. While that's cooking, I'm going to clean up over here a little bit. Got some odds and ends. Right back at it here. Threw out tops. Don't need those. Get a little char here, nothing much, but it's coming along. So let it sit here for a second. Guess you could cut it in half here, even more so to keep it from curling up. To each their own. Yeah, I might try that. There we go. There we go. Keep it from curling up on itself. Kind of keep them rotating, make sure you get the char evenly charred. Pulling off some of the rib here. I don't think it's going to make much of a difference, but it smells so good. Like I say, you don't really need to flip it on its skin side or flesh side, but I'll do it just real quick. Maybe give it a little cook. Just waiting for them to finish up here. It's gonna be so good. I'm gonna make some pork green chili here. Probably in a few weeks here. Like it's cooler right now. It's about 85 degrees outside. Not really a good day for green chili. More of a cold day kind of dish. All right, you see here. It is charred up nicely. So got a little more on this one here on the edges. think it's good anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the fire off. There we go. Let it sit there for a second. And now, what I've been doing is putting them in cold water here with all the other ones. Help stop the cooking. Also make it easier for the skin to be removed. So, all right, YouTube. Here I am back with green chilies that I have roasted on the grill. I'm just going to take the skin off and cut them up, and then eventually freeze them here, allowing me to use them at a later time. Got a cutting board. Got a place to either put the peels or the finished chilies. And of course, got my coffee here. All right, let's get to chopping and take the skin off.